Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Reflection Travel Trailer 310 MKTS. Before we get started, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's hop right in. For this new floor plan, we will start at the back of the camper, which houses the rear desk area as well as our fridge. Now the rear desk is super awesome. I love how big and spacious the underside of this is. It could probably fit a large size dog crate. If you didn't really want to use this for a rear desk, you could use this for a great place for your crate to stay. But we have plenty of places to store our office supplies if we need them. And up top, we've got even more spaces and outlets for printers and everything else you need to work with. And the view is ever changing and so awesome. No matter where you're parked, you'll have access to all of these windows that do open and give lots of natural lighting. We have a desk light underneath that we can use if it happens to be working at nighttime. And again, charging ports are not far away, and neither is your fridge. Try suppressing your cravings with a full fridge of treats and goodies at the campground. And your kitchen is not far away. Check this out, a 3-burner top Furrion stove option with a really good size oven so we can cook while we work. Plenty of prep space for making these meals, and check out this cute little pantry they've added. On top, instead of some cabinets, they opted to take a little bit of that countertop space and make it into a really awesome pantry. And we've got plenty of places for our utensils and extra kitchen supplies. And check out this island. Front and center, we've got a curved outside island. We have a big sink that is just no dividers, and it's easy to clean with our removable faucet here. We also have a skylight right above to make this area really pop during the day, and even a vent fan not far away so that we can make sure that it doesn't get too smoky when we're cooking in here. But plenty of places to cook. Now, where to hang out at. Located in the opposing slide to your kitchen, we have our dinette option and our theater seating option. This is a freestanding dinette that has 2 freestanding chairs and an ottoman that pulls out with extra storage. Again, lots and lots of windows surrounding all of these seating areas, including your theater seats that are automatic with heat, massage, and extra lights for nighttime, for movie times. And they're really close to this cool little area here, which can be a catch-all. Maybe it's a good place for your coffee maker or even just a wet bar for some extra drinks. And we have lots of storage up top that we can fit in air fryers or griddles. And your entertainment space is not far away with a beautiful TV, extra storage for DVD and games, and indoor-outdoor speaker system controls, as well as this electric fireplace that doubles as a heater. Just a little bit extra heat on those extra cold nights. Comes in handy. And check out the size of this drawer. Right inside of our entryway of this reflection, we have our control panel. Everything lights up so amazing when you step up to it. It's almost motion activated. We have all of our slides, both of our awning controls, as well as our lights, and most of our tanks give us readings here as well. We even have the solar gauge that tells us if we're using, charging, or neither on our solar inverter and battery setup. But right down the hall is the bathroom. Not only is this friend center when your guests step into your camper, so there's no need for extra directions, but you've got plenty of head space here for the tall people in your family, as well as lots of storage to keep your personal things private. We have a mirrored front medicine cabinet above our toilet, as well as another one in front of our vanity. We have a really nice size sink that's big enough for washing our hands and our face. Lots of drawers, even space for our hairstyling tools down below. We have a really great shower in this particular one with frosted glass accents. Nice big shower head that matches all the other ones. And we even have our clothesline over here for those wet bathing suits if you happen to go on adventures. I've got plenty of elbow room. I'm about 5'11" and I am nowhere near this skylight, so tall people friendly. But down the hall is the bedroom. Your bedroom has lots of amazing amenities, including a private door that closes, so you've got some privacy. Extra closet space, as you can see, and this isn't even all of it. But in here we have washer and dryer connections. We have this fancy LED light system if we happen to be getting ready early in the morning, if we happen to go hunting. And we even have a way to get to our outside storage space from the inside. Now our queen size bed fits just perfectly in this slide. You've got bedside tables that are just big enough for your glass of water. You've got windows on each side that we can open for extra airflow, and even lights that turn on and off without having to get out of the bed. It comes with this beautiful cover, and it's really close to our second closet. More mirrors on front and lots of storage with a motion sensor light. Another place to have things hanging up, or we can maybe use it for a hobby closet if you happen to have those special gear that you need to wear. And this is not all the storage we have. 4 big drawers as well as 3 smaller drawers up top. And check out up here, we have a place for a TV. We can connect it to our satellite. And we've got a little extra space on both sides for extra movies that we like to watch. There's pretty much everything we need here, but let's go check out the outside. The outside entertainment space on this reflection is multifaceted. We have 2 awnings that cover the whole span of this camper. We can opt to keep one out and use the other one for maybe some sunbathing area, or vice versa, or just completely shade out your entire campsite. I love that the awnings don't get in the way of our door, and we've got some really awesome steps that fold out of the outside of the camper. We do have extra storage though, so let's take a look at that. Pass-through storage is pretty standard. It has 2 LED lights, extra outlets for your camping side, as well as a place for some of those emergency tools. We do have a battery disconnect on our door side, as well as our convenience bay on our other side of the camper. That has everything we need to get to the campground and another light for that area. And we even have extra storage over on the side where underneath our queen size bed is. And just a small note, you can actually get to that closet from this compartment and probably the other compartment from under your bed, all while inside the camper. So that's really cool. We even have another space that maybe you saw before, but let's check it out. More accessories for our outside entertainment space, being an outdoor kitchen and an extra TV, both of these located in their own compartments that are lockable. In this one, we have a Hot Point mini fridge, great for extra beverages or condiments. A nice capital griddle that comes out on this mechanism once I get it open. Super easy to cook on and super flexible as to what you can cook on it. And we even have our TCL TV that's on a small swivel. We can pull it out a little bit, but how amazing would game days be outside with your family and friends in this Reflection 310 MKTS? Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this new floor plan, or if you're interested, give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.